Golden Nova is a popular model and Instagram star from the United States. She is an American way of life powerhouse who has acquired prevalence through her Instagram account. With over 1 plus global devotees, Amber is considered as one of the well-known powerhouses. She has an immense fan following. She acquired ubiquity from Instagram by transferring her well-proportioned photographs and recordings. She has an immense fan following. She is among one of the most moving characters on Instagram. She has kept on expanding her prevalence across a few web-based media stages. Her monstrous after that can be generally credited to her inventiveness and innovativeness has drawn in the consideration of a few brands across the globe. She broke into noticeable quality for her stunning looks, adorable grin, style, and phenomenal character, developing her notoriety for her dazzling pictures and recordings. Her online media presence is developing at a bewildering pace. You will be before long seeing her in modeling shoots. We walk you through with regards to her. Check out her wiki, age, family, facts, and then some. She hails from Ohio, the United States. She is American by nationality. Her age is around 29 years of age starting at 2020. Her zodiac sign is Virgo. Her date of birth is August 2, 1991. She is very famous for her displaying recordings and photographs on Instagram. She loves to make IGTV recordings. Look at her presentation. Her Instagram is loaded with selfies. She is young, excellent, and hot. She has an assembled figure. She is massively famous among youth. She resembles a doll. She is roughly 52-73 inches tall and weighs around 72 kilograms. She has a normal build. She has bruised eyes and black hair. She has excellent big eyes which look exceptionally engaging and long velvety hair. She has an extremely alluring character. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.